How much longer must I stand here in the rain while you set up your cameras? My God, I am 95. This is cruel. I am soaked through. I am wetter than a horny beaver. To think, I've met the Queen dozens of times. In fact, one time, while old Phil was away, she invited me up to the master bedroom, where I got to, let's just say, polish the crown jewels, if you catch my drift. Now the cameras are rolling. You absolute bloody bastard. We're here in the rainforest. Do you know why it's called the rainforest? Take one guess. You thinkers. It's pissing cats and dogs.